Welcome to this edition of the Business Video Expo Rewind, powered by Kumu. I'm your host, Steve Vanderhaar. Every time on the Rewind, we take a look back at insight and analysis emerging from the Business Video Expo held earlier this year in Miami, Florida. And this time we go to a panel held at the conference featuring content management leader, specifically Josh Bruhin. The Director of Product Management for the VMP product line at ViewCast talks a little bit about how video should be viewed as a data type and the implications that has for content management in general. Let's listen in.
I think it's important to think about video in two buckets. One is live video for producing live events, video monitoring and surveillance applications, and so on. And then the other is what you might call on-demand content or published content. So think through it, think in the enterprise, think about doing live webcast events, egocasts, and so forth, executive briefings as one example. And the other example is producing video on demand content for training purposes, research purposes, and so on. And these things are really managed quite differently. From a content management perspective, I think what's important to understand is the underlying infrastructure that's required to make this content searchable, discoverable, indexed, and available through multiple systems. One of the trends I think we're going to see over the next few years is that video will become just another data element in the publishing, in the web platform. So today, enterprises publish lots of websites, forums, intranets, doing HTML, text, and graphics, a little bit of audio, but video is treated quite differently, right? The video processing procedures, staging, all that stuff is done quite separately. You have to deploy streaming server infrastructures, and the production process from editing and post-production is separate from all the web publishing processes. With things like HTML5 and HTTP streaming through standard web servers, my view is over time, video is just going to be another data element along with text and graphics, and it'll become ubiquitous in the underlying web frameworks and the web fabric existing in enterprises today.
That's all the time we have for this edition of the Rewind. Our thanks goes out to Josh Bruhin of ViewCast for sharing his thoughts at the conference. And for more analysis and insight on the business video marketplace, join us on our portal on tmcnet.com on a regular basis. And also mark your calendars for September 13th through the 15th for the next Business Video Expo to be held in Austin, Texas. For the Business Video Expo Rewind, I'm Steve Vanderhaar. Thanks for your time.